Hello everybody, this is Siddhan Kumar, Associate Professor, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology, Kanyakumari. Today we are going to discuss about rate analysis and costing. The first one is standard data. The process of working out the cost or rate per unit of each item is called as data. In preparation of data, the rates of material and labor are obtained from current standard schedule of rates. And while the quantities of materials and labor required for the unit of item are taken from standard data book. And absorbed data. In statistics, an estimator is a rule for calculating an estimate of a given quantity based on observed data. Thus, the rule, the estimator, the quantity of interest, the estimate, and its result are distinguished. For example, the sample mean is a commonly used estimator of the population mean. Schedule of rates. In order to determine the rate of the particular item, the factors affecting the rate of that item are studied carefully, and then finally a rate is decided for that item. This process of determining the rates of the item is termed as analysis of rates of the rate analysis. The rate of particular item work depends on the following: specification of work and material about their quality, proportion, and construction operation method. Second one is quantity of materials and their cost. Third one is cost of labors and their wages. Fourth one is location of the site of work and the distances from the source and conveyance charges. Fifth one is overhead and establishment charges. And sixth one is profit. Next one is market rates. This term indicates the cost per unit at which an article can be procured at a given time at the store go down from the public markets. The cost should be inclusive of carriage and incidental charges and may include a reasonable provision for wastage and depreciation. And the schedule of rates and absorbed data and standard data mainly used to calculate the total amount required for the work. For example, we have to calculate the 1 meter cube stone masonry's amount with the help of analysis of rates. And also we have to calculate the total quantity of the building and total quantity of stone masonry in the building, and that will be multiplied with the 1 meter cube stone masonry work, and we have to calculate the total amount of stone masonry for a particular project. So this is a concept. Okay, for that concept we have to find out the analysis of rates in a particular works. For example, stone masonry. Separately we have to calculate the quantities of work, and we have to analyze the rate, and finally we have to get the total cost of the building, total cost of the work and particular work, and total cost of the building. This is a concept of rate analysis. Okay. Thank you.